What's up everyone, it's Ella and today I'm coming at you with some new content and I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial even though I am the farthest thing from a beauty guru, and I just figured I would do this because right now I look crusty, rusty, dusty, and musty, but that's not how I'm trying to look for Valentine's Day, and I thought I could give you guys some inspiration to help take you from a 2 like this to a 10. So let's just get started. The first product I'm going to use is my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and I love this product. It's a really good moisturizer and you should always moisturize before doing your makeup. I may not be a beauty guru, but I do know that for sure. The next thing I'm going to do is prime my face, and I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Now, this is definitely not my favorite skin primer, but it does the trick, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I really just focus this on like my T-zone, just because that's where my pores like mainly are, and we like to fill those so that our makeup doesn't like sink into them, you know? Look at me, I'm like a freaking expert. I'm now going to just put a base on my eyelid, so I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. Every beauty guru uses this. Mary's Snapchatting me right now. I don't have a mirror set up, so that's freaking awesome. But yeah, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyes because that's what a real beauty guru would do. Yeah. And we're gonna go for like a super nice, like pinky, glittery eye. Up close and personal with me, Snyder. I'm now going in with my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just gonna go in with the color Love Letter and just really start to define my crease. What day of the week is Valentine's Day?
It's like a Wednesday. It's like next week.
That's so stressful. I don't have a Valentine, but that's okay. If any of you out there want to be my Valentine, I would love to be yours. Yeah. This looks not cute so far, but like just stay with me, we'll make it better. I'm then going in with like a more tapered brush. Actually, it's not tapered, it's like angled. And I'm gonna go in with the color Venetian Red in my outer corners, and I'm really just taking this color Venetian Red and really concentrating it on my crease and outer corner. So far so good. Just stay with me here, people. Don't get lost, don't leave. I'm now going to get my products in order. I'm now gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Starlit Liquid, and this is in the shade 03. It's like the pinkier glitter color. I bought this for prom and I like never use it except for like special occasions, and Valentine's Day is a special occasion, okay? Like it gives you an excuse to be extra with your makeup. If I can open it, you know? Opens right up at the top and doesn't open right up at the bottom. Should have known. And we're just gonna do like a mini, like a half cut crease. Like basically just put it on like the inner first half of your eyelid and don't take it above the crease, okay? I may not be a beauty guru, but this is not brain surgery. I don't know what term I was going for. I was about to say earth science. This is
not earth science. I'm
just going to apply it right here on the inner corners. And then I'm going to take a brush and just cut out that half of a cut crease. So far so good with the glitter. The next thing I'm going to do is just kind of take a darker color. So I'm thinking the Antique Bronze or maybe even Burnt Umber, or Cypress Umber, pardon me. and just using that in the very outer corner and kind of trying to blend that into what we just created as our half cut crease. Wow, I really sound like I know what I'm doing.
It looks really good.
Thank you. No, get better every day. Now just kind of helping to blend that out a little bit. We're obviously going to clean this up when we go and do our face makeup, so don't you even worry. We're just gonna go back in with our Tarte Shape Tape. Anyone wondering, I'm in the shade Light because I'm pale. And I really just kind of use this in place of foundation, so I just go in and obviously do my under eyes and then also just use it to cover up any blemishes. And then I find that I really just don't need anything else besides setting powder, obviously. I also just ate an acai bowl, so my face is like a little stained in places where it didn't quite go into my mouth. So yeah, we have to cover that up too, you know? I'm just gonna go in and blend this with my fake beauty blender because nobody got time or $20 for a real one.
I had $20.
Ain't nobody but Mary Zek got $20 for a real beauty blender right now.
Have you been eating rosebuds again? Where do your cheeks get their blush?
I get my blush from Norms. So this tends to look a little crazy, so I like to just go in and even out my entire face with Makeup Forever Pro Finish, and this is really good for setting. It's like a tinted setting powder, and you could even use it as like a powder foundation, which is really nice. And this is just like a little bit darker than my concealer color, so it just really helps even everything out and bring me back to a normal skin tone, so we don't have to look like Casper the Ghost. And obviously, since it's not like a translucent setting powder, there's no flashback, so you can go ahead and take all of the photos you want with flash and you won't have to worry about that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows really quickly, and I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Blonde. I've literally been using this product for years and it's just what works best for me. So yeah, we have one eyebrow. We go from having 0 eyebrows to hero eyebrows. Sorry, that's so corny. Okay, moving on. I'm now just going to go in and smoke out my lower lash line, and I'm just going to go back in with the Love Letter color because I really like the idea of like having like a more pink lower lash line and really staying away from like browns and blacks in this look. So yes, Love Letter on like a tiny little brush. I'm going to blow on it to like get rid of some of the fallout that might happen, and then just really go in and smoke out my lower lash line. Oops. Now this step is like optional, but I like to add like a little bit more glitter into the inner corners, so I'm just going to use a powder for that, and I'm going to use the Vermeer color in the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to use my pinky to apply it because that's just what's easiest for me, and just really lightly put it into the inner corners, and this kind of just like amplifies the look a little bit more. If I had that good Lily Lash sponsorship, this is where I'd be like, okay everyone, take your Lily Lash Miami and apply it with your lash glue, but I don't have that. I don't even have eyelash extensions anymore, so I'm just gonna skip that and do mascara later and go right into bronzer. So I'm just using the NARS Laguna bronzer from the Narcissist palette, and I use this literally every day. It's so good. I just use it on like a flat contouring brush and just chisel out my cheekbones. Perfect. My lovely roommate gifted me this So Susan blush, and it's actually the perfect shade for this look, so we're gonna use it. And it's the color Rose Rust, and it like matches the eyeshadow absolutely perfectly. And I'm just gonna dust this on lightly with a big fluffy brush. Cool. Okay. So now I'm going to go back and do my mascara. Like I said, I think this look would look so good with fake eyelashes, but I don't have that sponsorship coin. So we're just gonna go in with Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is really, really good mascara, to be quite honest. Alright, all that's left is highlight and lips. So before I do any of that, I'm just going to prime my lips with the Sugar Fresh Clear Lip Balm or lip treatment. I just broke it, so that's great. This is just a really nice moisturizing lip balm. And I'm gonna let that like sit and moisturize my lips while I do my highlight. My highlighting process is like 2 steps, so bear with me. But I'm gonna use the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Poured, and this is the color Moonstone. Literally so bright that it's like blinding. That's how I like my highlight to be. And I literally just apply this with my fingers. I like doing this as like the first step for my highlight because like it already has such an impact, but then it like also works as like a primer for your powder highlight. Camera stopped recording, but we're back. Still applying highlight, still using this product, just really going all over the places where light would hit naturally before we go in with a powder highlight. I'm gonna go back in with my Narcissist palette and just go in with the highlighter that's in here, another quite blinding highlight. And this time I am gonna take like a tapered highlighting brush, cute, and just really pack this on top of what I already placed on my face. Okay, literally the most extra highlight ever, just the way I like it. And the last step for lips, I'm just gonna use my Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in the shade Melted Nude because I think to kind of contrast with the eye you need a nude lip, and this is really perfect for that. I'm just gonna apply this straight from the tube. The last step of this tutorial is completely optional, but if you're extra like me and you want your Valentine's Day look to be as extraordinary as possible, I'm just gonna add a pink wig to the look because why the heck not? Like, it's Valentine's Day. We're basically celebrating the color pink if you think about it, and I really think that it would finish off the look and pull all of the pink together. So I'm just gonna go grab my favorite pink wig super quick, you guys. Okay, so this is the completed look. I just added this wig. It is by far one of my favorite wigs I own, and if you've been watching my channel recently, you know I'm going through a little bit of a wig obsession. I can't stop ordering them. But I ordered this one from Hia Hair. I don't know if I said that already, and it's just a super cute pink bob. It's super thick. It is a little shiny, so if you plan on getting it and wearing it out in public, I would just go in with some baby powder to take out a little bit of the shine. But other than that, it's super realistic, and I'm obsessed. I literally ordered it with this makeup look in mind. And I think the whole like all pink everything just ties it all together. This with like some pink lacy lingerie. I don't even know what you're doing on Valentine's Day, but I think that would look really good. But that's just me, you know? But yeah, this is the finished look. I'm gonna sit back, relax, and let you take it all in for a hot sec. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!